How to make a pixel stretch effect in Photoshop. Select rectangular marquee tool and make selection around model. Go to Edit and Cut. Go to Select Subject and follow the process. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate. Select rectangular marquee tool and make selection. Press Ctrl+J on your keyboard for duplicate and follow the process. Create a new layer. Select Pen tool and make selection on this. Select Brush tool and make shadow like this. This is the final result. Subscribe for more.